A little fuel.
And already adore the way. It's only been 14 days, and already adore the way you are to me. I wanna ignore and take it slow, cause I know where this can go. Moving too fast until we crash. I've been down this road before.
We got a beat. We got some G fuel. We're gonna do a dab, and then we're gonna record freestyle. Cheers. Alright. Let's move this chair out of the way.
It's only been 14 days,
And I can't get you off of my mind.
and already adore the way you are to me. I wanna ignore and take it slow, cause I know where this can go. Moving too fast until we crash. I've been down this road before.
Yeah, baby, you said you wanted this to last, but we moving too fast. First night I'm in your ass like, damn, am I fucking with a hoe again? I don't know, I'ma try, but I'm going in. Damn, yeah, now I'm stuck in a cycle. I swear to God, man, she loves me, but this bitch is a psycho. Like, what the fuck, man? I'm feeling stuck, damn. Can you tell me how to find a way out? Like, yeah, I've been trapped in my mind. These thoughts are gentle, yeah, this one of a kind. Bitch, she's so pretty, I swear to God I love her. Take her down the whole city. Like, what you want, man? Yeah, you can go giddy. Yeah, I'll do whatever she asks. Like, damn, I love them titties and that ass. Like, yeah, we rollin' and be late to class. That's okay, man, yeah, I just want this to last. But we be moving too fast, we bout to lose control. Hop in the car, yeah, I put it on cruise control. She suckin' top me down. Aw shit, bitch, yeah, we listen. I'll love her and fuck for hours. I swear I love her, she got room to grow. Man, she's so beautiful, like damn, young, reckless. I don't know what to do, but I'll take her out to breakfast, and then we have sex shit. Damn, that's all we good for is fucking. Like, do you love me or are you bluffing? Is this nothing? Is this something that I should take into consideration? Why do you talk to him? Why are we dating? Like, what the fuck, man? I'm feeling stuck, man. I like my life, but this shit kinda sucks, and I feel like, what to do? Here we go again, stuck inside a cycle, man. Yeah, I should ride this bike, I cycle down the block. Like, fuck the ops, I don't give a fuck about this thought. Yeah, I'm about to leave, and then I do me. Like, who he, like, who she? I don't know, I don't give a fuck about a dumb bitch. Low hoe, there we go, I don't wanna do this. Oh shit, man, yeah, I just feel so rude when I talk to you like this. Misogynistic, but like massage this dick, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you and your cherry red lipstick. Like, here we go again, he be talking about the past. Said she loved me and she wanted it to last, but baby girl, you know that we were moving too fast. First day we were together, you were sucking. Oh shit, man, I don't know whether or not this is my fault or yours, but it's okay, we can take the blame and separate it like we separated. It's okay if you say you hate me, cause I hate it too, but you know you love me and I love you too. It's complicated and I hate it, don't know what to do, man. Yeah, I'm just in love with you. Are you in love with me? Cause we could try and fix this, but is it worth it? I don't even know, man. I question what's our purpose. Like, was it just to waste time and be toxic? I don't even know. We should probably stop it.
Again, I'm not listening to myself. This predicament